Hello guys, my name is Chasidy Hulett and this is my introduction for our class. I am the gifted resource teacher at Coker Elementary School. We're located in the Murray County School District, which is North Georgia. We actually border Tennessee. Something about me. This is my family. These are just the most recent pictures what we've taken. So this is a picture of my husband. We have been married for 22 years, and these are our children and our dog Archie. I have been in education for 11 years. I started out as a third grade teacher at Chatsworth Elementary, and this is my second year as the gifted resource teacher. I am taking this class because when I got my gifted certification, the classes that we took was through our county RESA, and I'm not saying they weren't taught very well, but I wanted some more in-depth training when it came to dealing with gifted students, considering that's all that I work with now. So that's why I've decided to take this class. As far as my memorable issue, I remember it's been about 6 years ago. I had a student in my class, and he did not fit the criteria of what most people would look at as a gifted student. He struggled getting to school. His hygiene wasn't great, and I knew there was something there. So I talked to our gifted teacher at the time about him, and she was great and gave me lots of resources to use with him. And we I ended up giving him a referral, and he qualified for our gifted program, blew all the tests out of the water. So I was very proud that someone that no one else had thought had those qualities, that it was something I was able to see and get him what he needed in his education. My most favorite aspect of gifted education is probably the uniqueness of every gifted student. Even though you're in a gifted resource room, there's so many different levels of giftedness, and so many different things you can do. And I like working with that one-on-one. My least favorite aspect of it is the teachers that don't understand the importance of gifted education. We have a lot of pushback sometimes. We do a pull-out method. They come to my class one day a week for the entire day, and there's some teachers that really struggle with letting go of that because they still want to get those grades in the computer. So that would be my least favorite aspect. And that's all there is about me. I can't wait to get to know all of you guys. Thanks.